that I came across a lot of terms like process, networked economy, customer expectations, cost pressures, new technology, people. Now, I believe in all these aspects there is something emerging. Okay, so in a very brief, what I feel is that, and you will also agree with me, that organizations are turning old very soon. So that is why I said that, okay, one of my thought process is young to old. Think of a company like your maybe Facebook, right? And try to relate it with what other companies have been doing. The kind of market cap that a very small company actually gets in a very small span of time, and thereafter it needs to reinvent itself over a period of time just to make it relevant. Okay, so this is happening. This I feel is very happening, and this process has been accentuated. This process has been made very, very fast, and we are finding this kind of a thing happening in any form of business. Another thing is the speed of urbanization. Ma'am was talking about that we need to talk about sustainability, right? We can talk about any business model, right? There are a lot of business models. People are coming up with innovative business model. The thing is that, are they sustainable? And in one of the papers, we thought about the social innovation. I think that I came across a very, very innovative kind of a write-up on this, that there is a concept called water ATM. Right? Heard about it? So in Rajasthan, where there's water is a scarcity, right, there's a company which have been backed by SAIL, where people are coming up with water ATM so that you can get the smart card in and you get 5 liters of filtered water. Right? So basically what I'm talking about is that we need to talk about research which actually makes an impact. Which just cannot be a disconnect between your academia and what the industry is doing, or for that matter what the market wants from us. Okay? So another thing that we'll find is that economic power is moving from west to east. We all find this. All big companies, GM, Ford, they are setting up bases in East Asian countries. India is emerging as a big manufacturing hub. That's happening. Okay? Having said that, second thing is that customer expectations are changing. We need to adhere to right product, right price, right place, and right time. And for that, the clues have been taken from the customers, which have been passed on to the retailers, and finally the manufacturers had to adhere to that. I believe many of you are aware of that just to satisfy the logistic requirements, right, you find the genetically modified watermelons have been kept in